Okay. Hello, everybody. Thank you again for being a loving family and putting up with me through my 3D informational speech for my online speech class. You guys know who I am, but I need to introduce myself for the camera. My name is Marlow, and my professor is Professor Marlow. Today the topic is how THC affects the brain for pain management. I never found any solid evidence to back this up, but I did gather some information on THC and how the brain deals with pain and some similarities to where they may coincide with each other. So, we're going to talk about what is THC, how pain is interpreted by the brain, and then how THC affects the brain. So what is THC? THC, or tetrahydrocannabinol, is a chemical compound in the marijuana plant or cannabis plant. It's known for causing some effects, such as you get hungry, munchies, dizziness, some lightheadedness, some physical, you get red eyes and your eyes come smaller. Researchers are still in the process of trying to extract from the marijuana plant the positive compounds that THC has, so that we don't get all of the negative stuff in our body. And then there are some prescriptions out there today for medical marijuana. How pain is interpreted by the brain. Our body has a nervous system. It's made of two parts. The first part is the central nervous system, which is your brain and your spinal cord. And the second is the peripheral nervous system, which is made up of your sensory and motor nerves. And this is just a brief description on how the pain works. So just say you got a prick or a cut on your finger. That message is sent through your peripheral nerve to your spinal cord, which is then sent into your brain. Your brain processes the information that it gets, and it sends it back down the peripheral nerve to the point, and that's when you go, ouch. That's when you can deal with the pain. That's when you know you have pain. This one, the picture to the left is just a picture. Those are parts of the brain that where you can find the cannabinoid receptors. Our brain produces natural cannabinoid. Cannabinoid is also one of the compounds found in THC. On the picture on the left, I'm going to focus on this green area here. That is the spinal cord. I'm sorry, the brainstem. It's the brainstem. In the brainstem controls the basic functions, including like muscle reflex, and it also is the place where the pain sensory gets sent to be processed in our brain. So what have we learned today? We learned about THC. It's a compound extracted from plants. There are some medical prescriptions out there for marijuana, and researchers and scientists are still till today trying to find a way to, like I said, extract the goodness out of the THC itself. Brain and pain, real fast. You get a cut. How the nervous system works, how our brain processes it, sends it back, and then we say, ouch. THC on the brain. This is again where the pain gets sent to, so we process it, and then this is also where the cannabinoids from the THC, as well as our natural cannabinoids that our body produces, mend together, and then what it does is it actually I say it puts up a cloud, so your pain level, like your body's dealing with pain, it gets sent up there. But if you're on THC, it sends mixed signals to the brain so that your brain doesn't fully get the whole message of the pain. So instead of healing the pain, it actually just, yeah, it just reduces it for the time being. But eventually when the THC wears off, then the pain, of course, comes back. So as of right now, there's no scientifically proven positive effect that THC actually affects the brain for pain management. The scientists, like I said, are still working on how to mend the two together. So with that being said, do we have any questions?
How long does the THC stay in the system?
Scientists have found that the THC stays in your system. The effect of THC is 3 to 4 hours, but in your blood system, it actually is there from 30 to 45 days. Thank you guys for coming. Have a wonderful day. Drive home safely.